After long hours of efficient work during the day, it's crucial to relax your mind for a balanced lifestyle and overall well-being. Although it's essential to switch off from work in the evening to ensure productivity, many struggle to do so due to various reasons. Do you also experience the same problem of working around the clock and keep cribbing about your life? Do the people close to you always crave for your time? Do you feel that somewhere your mind is jumbled up and you've started forgetting things with numerous tasks at hand? Well, this is actually the reality of modern world's fast-paced life, and you are not the only one with such feelings. My realization moment occurred when my 6-year-old son told his teacher, "Ma'am, sorry, I couldn't do the reading. My mom doesn't have time, she's always busy." Well, this situation isn't uncommon for working parents. It served as a trigger for me to acknowledge that something wasn't right. After some contemplation, I noticed that nowadays many relationships are also falling apart due to the inability to invest time in them. Unmarried individuals also experience loneliness because they tend to withdraw socially and they're physically and mentally exhausted from not being able to spare time for themselves or others. Now, if we realize and address these issues in our lives earlier, we can maintain a good lifestyle and find happiness. It's important to dedicate some part of the day entirely to yourself and your loved ones. However, many struggle to disconnect, to shut down from work. From what I have observed practically in such cases, there are usually two scenarios. Number one, you are workaholic. Number two, your workload is too high. Let's first address the issue of being a workaholic. For those who fall into this category, I must emphasize that while it's admirable to love your work and strive towards your goals, it should never come at the expense of your health, well-being, relationships, or family. As you climb the ladder of success, it's vital to prioritize your health and nurture your relationships alongside your professional pursuits, as they are the true source of happiness. Have you ever listened to the interviews of successful individuals who realize this only after reaching a certain point in their careers? They often express regret for the time they missed with their loved ones, as it cannot be reclaimed. Achieving balance may require making trade-offs, but it is essential to have a clear vision of what truly brings you happiness and recognize the impact your choices have on your life. So take a pause, introspect, and find out. In the second scenario, for individuals facing heavy work pressure, aim to complete tasks during the day. You can refer to my earlier video on how to be productive for tips. If high priority tasks remain unfinished, consider taking a complete shutdown break for a few hours and returning to them later. If the situation of the intense work pressure persists for several months, it may indicate a deeper issue. It's crucial to identify the right time to address your concerns. Always remember that your happiness is in your hands, so don't hesitate to speak up for yourself. Now let's discuss the concept of shut-off time. It should be a genuine break, meaning you should keep your phone away and perhaps put it on silent mode. Even if you don't respond after work hours for a while, it's perfectly acceptable. I'm not for or against a 70 hours work week like Mr. Narayan Murthy mentioned. My message through this video is to emphasize on the importance of shutdown time, whatever small or large it may be. Over time, people will understand that during those hours, you are not available and will expect responses when you are back online. It's essential to define these boundaries. The pandemic has taught us numerous lessons about unpredictability. Don't wait for the right time to take action. Instead, act now. I urge you to live in the moment so that you won't regret it later. Have a good day.